Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. Ashley, if you're tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Today we're going to be doing a V-part lace wig install. Now I have realized of all the V-parts that we've tried on this channel, this by far is my favorite and the best. I've been thinking that because I'm natural and my hair is going to blend with more natural textures, to go for a V-part that is more of a natural texture, and I've been doing it all wrong. So Unice hooked me up. They reached out and wanted to send me one in a straight long texture, and I was nervous. I was like, this is going to be out of my comfort zone, and unbeknownst to me, this is the best decision I've made thus far. You guys see this here is my natural hair. So when you blend it in and comb it, you can't even tell which part is my hair and which part is the wig. It all literally blends together. Whereas when I've done like the kinky straight texture, you can see my hair stick out and set apart. I've done curly, I've done highlights, I've done a few different styles, textures, and colors on this channel of V-parts. And this one genuinely blends the most. And I love the fact that even though my hair is thin, you cannot see the wig at all. So this is going to be a go-to for me. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the whole tutorial. You're going to see me style my natural hair underneath and kind of get a quick sneak peek into a length check. I think I'm about 1 month in of trying out rice water, and so far I think it's helping. You guys can be the judge. You guys see my hair here and there if you are a true supporter. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed. Had to step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my same little nigga from the get-go. Bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though. Please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly. Do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimping penny shit. Popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the minute hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up, a super saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I. Top tier, top floor, top shotter. You are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming. I'm moving now. Fuck what you doing tomorrow. If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my living my life on the ledge, I'm a legend. My brother got caught with a weapon by 12, he was only 11. Fast forward a nigga to 8 and I'm feeling like 007. These niggas be angry as hell and I swear I'ma send them to heaven. Me and my dog in the reverend, this shit is morbid to me. Women be orbiting me, winning is normal to me.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how. out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose. She don't switch positions and she plays the role. Hit up the salon, she gets her nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze.
Hey, so yeah, Matic, just walk with us. Conscious, talk with us. See, we be painting pictures and we be writing scriptures. Right. You know, yeah. We was in the heights, OG tried to sell me Cartiers. With my crown, we some kings like a card in solitaire. Sticking to the script, that's what got us here. If you in the way, we stepping down like a barber chair. We was all downstairs, Molly vibes till the smoke was clear. Nephew came in, told him, boy, yo, go upstairs. This ain't for the kids, yeah, cover ears. Had to put in order all of my fears. Now when I step out, I'll be well prepared.
Yo, pop out anywhere, yeah, we was never scared, yeah. We was everywhere, yeah, but you was never there. People love to compare, yeah, but we just never cared. We just always did our thing. Every year we took the stairs. Back when Bill ain't have a bed, we will always volunteer. Now we young pioneers, yeah, they see us switching gears. We some future billionaires, repping Brooklyn everywhere. So it's R.I.P. to Pop, they know the smoke will never clear. Word.
Still on track, never off the trail.
Always bounce back, yeah, we still prevail.
Got our weight up, now we tip the scale.
Now we way up and we living well.
All we do is win, they wanna see us fail.
Me and Dill back to back like we Chip and Dale.
Now the price is going up in the ticket sales.
All we do is show them proof.
Okay, look bugs, we are done with this look. Not gonna go in and flatten it, but I'm just gonna use the scarf method and just hold this down really good overnight to get it super flat. You guys know we're rocking with the 5 head, so this is what we get. Now this one is a V-part lace. I wanted to say lace, I'm so used to saying lace wig. This is a V-part wig. It's all capped with a V section cut out, and it's filled with enough clips underneath to secure it to your natural hair. That way you can get a natural like sew-in vibe if that's your vibe, or like micro links. I think we've all been seeing the trend all over social media where everyone is wanting to look a little bit more natural with their looks. So the girls have been wanting to do less frontals, less closures, and more leave out like micro links, tape ins, sew ins, clip ins, that type of deal. And this is how you can get your fix without like fully committing. I've definitely had companies reach out and want to send micro links, but I'm super nervous because you guys know, and you guys seen in this video, my hair is very thin and fine, so I'm always nervous that it will break off so easily because the actual strings are so thin, and then I don't have a lot of strings, so I just don't feel comfortable with the whole like commitment of like wearing my real hair out with hair attached, especially because I'm not like permed or anything like that. My hair is natural, so you know, every time I'm like, today it rained, or like just getting in the shower, being around steam, sweating, you know, going out with the kids, always having to put that heat in it just makes me cringe so much. So this is definitely a nice alternative. I'll be able to, you know, just do my little closure style lead out. You guys seen I was able to do one heat pass and that did the trick. Now you can get this type of wig in all different textures. You can get it in the straight like I have, or you can go like body wave, curly, kinky, straight, kinky, curly. You can do literally any texture in a wig like this. But to be honest, I think this is one of my first times doing a bone silky straight look, and I actually like this the most. You guys can see here, this here is my natural hair, but whenever I comb it and blend it, it blends so well with just one heat pass. So I love the fact that my hair blends even with like a silky straight style texture. And And to me, this blends more straight than sometimes like the kinky straight textures look on my hair or blend with my hair like blown out. So I like this, and this is my comfort zone. Again, I can wear this, and then like if I'm out too early and it's like a little bit foggy or misty here in LA, I can like leave a scarf attached around the hairline just to make sure it's flat, or just like even getting in the shower and stuff like that, or working out. And then, you know, I can let it all out when it's time to hang out. As far as my hair below, you guys seen I did try to go in with the black edge control. I picked this one up from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box, and it literally is an edge control but in the color black. Typically it's like a clear color. This one is actually black, so it kind of will help to tint your hairline to give it the illusion that it's a little bit fuller than it is, and kind of cover the you know, sparse spots. It did come in a black and a brown. I got the black because I knew this hair would be dark, but the brown probably would be a little bit more realistic to my real hair. Now again, aside from the fact that I have a huge forehead, this actually does a great job. Again, you guys have seen me do the V-part and the U-part wig with the curly textures, and it's just a little bit harder to make it blend. So when Unice reached out and said do a straight one, at first I was like, my hair is not straight, but then I'm like, but you know what? My hair actually does better with a straight texture. It's a lot less finesse to it. And then I love the fact they sent me one in a super long length. So along with the wig, they did send over a bunch of free goodies. I'm sure I showed this already, but this is the box that the wig was in when I received it. And inside, they really spoiled us. So these here are really cool. They're like some clip-ins, it looks like, or it's just two clip-ins. And as you guys can see, it has that clip in it that you're able to clip to the hair. It's nice and long, so it matches the length of this wig, but if it's too long, you can cut it short, and it just adds a fun little vibe, you know, something to switch it up. They also gave me this scarf, and as you guys can see, it says Unice in like a Unice monogram print all over. So this is super fly. I'm actually going to hold on to this because I didn't know they had that. It's really nice. They did give me a pack of wig caps, a headband, and again, this is perfect for like just protecting my edges and stuff when I'm out and about and when it gets a little bit too rainy or misty. And then they also gave me like a melt belt wig grip type of situation, and theirs is really nice quality. I gotta find their manufacturer because this one's actually really good quality. And if you thought that was a lot of goodies, there was also this mesh bag in there, which also has some more goodies. And then in this bag, we have a pair of nice lashes. We have some of the dolphin clips in the color white. And then another scarf, and this one seems to be like a taupe with a little bit of brown and tan and a little cow print in the center. This is a vibe. I love the color taupe. I remember people asking me what's my favorite color. I love navy blue, I love pink, and I used to love taupe so much. So this is a vibe. It can get the nice print look, and you can do like, you guys know I love my scarves. And then if you thought that was a lot of goodies, it's actually a huge package, which I was so curious as to what it was. I think I know, and I'm actually really excited about this. They sent me a robe. I've been on a robe kick lately, so this is right up my alley. It's a beautiful satin robe. It looks like it's going to be nice and comfy. And guess what? Logo embossed on the back very nicely. So very good quality. Here is the belt here. So this is actually so nice. One of the nicest gifts I received in a wig purchase or wig, you know, gifting, if you will. Anyways, I was just about to get in the shower, put it back into a ponytail, and I was like, wait a minute. As a ponytail, this is a vibe. I like it just as much, maybe even more in a ponytail. It gives a vibe. I can actually do like the Instagram baby hair with this look. So I wanted to make sure I showed you this. This one looks really good as a ponytail. Okay, now jump right back into the video. I really love the way this one came out. I do need to go to Ulta and pick up like a heat, how do you say it, like a thermal spray. I know my beautician, when I used to get my natural hair in a wrap, every 2 weeks she would spray, I think it was called a thermal spray, on my hair, and it would help it to not like frizz up against the elements. Because again, this is one of those days where my son got dressed this morning in shorts. I thought it was fine, and by the time I got back home, it was sprinkling, and by the time I picked him up, it was full on like raining here where we live. So I want to be able to make sure I can protect my hair. If I think it's not gonna rain and it's gonna rain, if you know LA is being a little bit crazy, I can be prepared for the elements with this wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's so funny because I have such a big forehead, but then like as time progresses, I get more and more used to it. I think it is more of a wow factor when you wear wigs for a while, especially lace wigs, and you cover it and then you go back to your natural. But when you wear it all the time and you're used to it, it's just like, just my forehead. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a little bit fun and different. Definitely one of my favorite, if not my favorite, V-part wig thus far, because again, we're able to make it blend. Like this one actually blends. I don't have to, you know, finesse it. One heat pass and we are good to go. So make sure you check out Unice. I'll have a link to this wig in the description box. Also, don't forget to check the description box for a link and list of all the things we used today to complete this look. I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.